Beauty by Earth, Self-Tanner Exfoliation, and Application Kit, 3-piece kit. Product Overview Description. Leaping Bunny. If you are looking to achieve a streak-free, long-lasting tan, the Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner Exfoliation and Application Kit is perfect for you. An exfoliating mitt for preparing your skin for a long-lasting tan, and which can also be used to remove self-tanner. A double-sided body application mitt with a lotion barrier for streak-free tanning without stained hands. A face applicator mitt for more precise application on the harder-to-reach areas of your face and neck. Includes exfoliating, tan removal mitt, body tanning application mitt, face tanning application mitt. Perfect kit for applying self-tanner, say goodbye to streaky, splotchy, uneven tanning. Exfoliating gloves remove dead skin cells and help your tan last longer. Tanning mitt will get your sunless tanning lotion on evenly. Suggested use. Use the exfoliating mitt with soap or cleanser to remove all dead skin from the areas to be tanned. Apply moisturizer to areas that tend to be dry and absorb more tanner, such as the elbows, hands, wrists, knees, feet and underarm areas. Apply Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner to the body applicator and apply to all desired areas in a circular motion. Apply to the face using the face application mitt. Moisturize your skin daily for an extended tan. Care instructions: after use of any mitt, thoroughly rinse with warm water and leave out to dry. Other ingredients: small mitt, 50% nylon, 50% sponge big mitt applicator, 50% polyester, 50% sponge exfoliating mitt, 80% viscose, 20% elastic. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.